Good morning or good evening, guys. Today I will show you the solution of this problem on Picsart applications. Just watch this video till the end. Now first, you have to go and open the settings on your phone. Then go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Picsart. When you found Picsart, just open it like this and then go to storage. Then on storage, go to clear data, also clear cache, then go back, click on force stop, and now you have to restart your phone. And after this, go and open Picsart and you will see that it will work with you correctly. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.